Do apologize again, keep having the bipod fall on this video. So let's just go ahead and put our nails in this shingle here. Using the roof snake so we for sure do not lift more than 45 degrees there. This one's steep, it's gonna cause an issue. All right. As you can see, based on the repair attempt, I know the video may be kind of tough. Definitely does not perform a reasonable uniform appearance whatsoever. Tear here, tear here. Little issue going on with that corner there. This roof definitely is non-repairable, nor does it perform a reasonable uniform appearance. The shingle also is buttoned up here and it's overlapping there, so definitely needs a total roof replacement.